Okay, what's up guys? This is Lucy's Reptiles coming back at you. As you can see, this tank has changed. No, there's no food in there because there's a food dish, which I gotta make food. And I only use Repashi's superfoods. And I like to mix a little of this in there with it. And then over here is my female. She's looking at me. And I believe this is a 12 by 12 by 18. And then there's my smaller female up there just chilling. And I'll go ahead and show you how I make the food. Which, yes, they do have a water dish and food in there, if you can see that. I'll close these guys up real quick. And it sucks because I don't have a tripod or anything, so I'm going to have to kind of angle this. Yeah, see, that's not even going to work. Alright, I'll just hold this while I make it. Then screw this. And I actually like this little scoop I got it out of a Zoom Eds, and I use this because it's easier to measure with. There it is. 1, 2, and 3. And I just go ahead and use this. I have it labeled for water because this is strictly for water. Just like how I have this labeled as bleach water, strictly for bleach and water. When I go in and clean out the tubs for the rat rack and the snake rack. But moving on, and this it's it's 1 part food, 2 parts water. I've actually measured the sprays out in my water bottle, so 6 sprays should do the trick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all I do is, because I don't use that little scoop to stir with, I use this little plastic knife. And set this down right here and stir it. I mean, as you can tell, yes, it is a bit watery, and yes, it does thicken up after a little bit. But now I'm going to add some flukers into it. Not a lot. And I will I usuly stir this stuff up into it. I mean, it softens the flukers, and I mean, flukers soak up quite a bit of the water too. And as you can see, the flukers is in there. Yeah, it's still a little runny, but it's good. And then this, where it just says water, I do spray both cages down 3 times a day with that water. And I also put ReptiSafe in it, so when he goes to drink it off the glass, it ain't all chlorinated, stuff like that. So I just stick his food in the middle right there. And put my little scoop back in there. And I'm done. The only thing I gotta do now is really just spray his cage down. Which only takes a couple of seconds. I would show you him, but I like restarted this vid like 3 times, so you're not gonna see him. He's probably a little stressed out right now, so but that's him by himself in that. And then once the female over there gets up to size, well, in grams anyways, I'm going to be sticking her back in there with him so they can breed. Really like her. And then I'll show you my little partial pin Harlequin that I have right there. She's a beauty. I really like her colors when she's like fired up. She ain't so much fired up right now. She kind of is. Camera focus, you could probably get some good coloring in on her sides, but camera doesn't seem to want to focus right now. But other than that, it's Lucy's reptiles, and I'm out.